Hey all, Matt with Bobcat Bonsai here, and today we're going to do the last unboxing for my little trees that I get shipped in for the season. So let's get to it. Alright, so we'll start it off like normal. Get the box all opened up here. Try not to cut my fingers off in the process. And let's see what we've got inside. Nice bubble wrap. Some more nice bubble wrap. Alright. Okay, so I know this one because I have one. It's a Brinia Distica. I believe that this one is a juniper, I believe, but I'll double check on that one. If it's not, then I'll put it down below on there. Alright, then this little guy, I have one of these as well. And this one I don't have in here. Oh no, give me 1 second. Okay, so I was just being a little bit crazy. I did have it in here. It's a Sarissa japonica. That's what this one is. Then we have this little guy, which is a Myrtus communis. And this little one, I'm not sure. So I'm going to pull out my phone real quick. And I'm going to go to Leaf Snap and take a quick picture and see what it gives me as an answer on this one. Okay, picture's taken. Submit the picture. I chose to sort by leaf because that's all I really have to work with here. Now I have to wait through the ad. Ad's gone. And well, I don't believe that that's it at all. It's saying that it is a Japanese holly, but that's definitely not it. These leaves are not a Japanese holly. Let's look at the next one that they give as an option. The next one they're saying could possibly be an African boxwood, but I'm not really sure on that either. So I believe this one's just a common boxwood or a Buxus sempervirens. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the last unboxing of the season. I can't wait till next spring, and I'm going to get a lot of these repotted up, and we're going to start them onto their bonsai journey. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, you should subscribe, and if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, hit the bell notification. Thank you.